Welcome back. This is lesson 3 in this section of this training. And in this lesson, I'll show you how to protect and unprotect workbook. When a workbook structure is protected, users will not be able to insert, delete, copy, move, hide, and unhide worksheets. And to access this feature, you go to your review tab. Under the review tab, you come to your changes section. You select the protect workbook option. Good. Now, it prompts you up to input the password. Oh, good. Now, you also have this window option. Apart from protecting the structure of the workbook, you can also check this window. This also prevents the users from amending the size of the window. But for the purpose of this training, I just want to protect the structure of the workbook, where the users will not be able to insert worksheets, delete, copy, move, or hide worksheets. So after inputting your password, you click OK. You are also prompted to input the password the second time. Good. And you click OK. Now, this workbook has been protected. How do you know? As I said earlier, you won't be able to insert, delete, copy, move, hide, and unhide. So when you go to your home section where we have the insert, you see you can't insert sheets. You can insert cell, but you can insert sheet. Now, to have a better view of it, just right click on the cell. You see you can insert, you can delete, you can rename, you can move or copy, you can hide, and you can't unhide workbook. Right. So that is the effect of protecting the structure of a workbook. How do you now unprotect a workbook? You go back to your review tab. Under the changes section, you just select the protect workbook. You're prompted to input the password. So only persons with the password can unprotect the structure. So I'll input the password and click OK. Here we go. So the users can now perform that. You see the insert, delete, rename, hide, because we've not hide any worksheet, so the unhide is not active. So you can insert, you can delete, do all those things that the users will not be able to do if the workbook the structure of the workbook is protected, right? So that's how you can protect and unprotect the structure of a workbook. This brings us to the end of this lesson.